Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pepecoin. Now, Pepecoin, the $583 million market cap at the time of recording this, and they are actually planning to increase the market volume for Pepecoin. Now, right now, the circulating supply of this coin is about 391.7 trillion supply. Wow. 391.7 trillion supply. Now, I believe if you compare this to that of Shiba Inu, because Shiba Inu right now still have about 583 trillion circulating supply. That is for Shiba Inu, while Pepecoin is about 391. These two coins are actually doing well. Shiba Inu did well, of course, hit millions of percent. Now, Pepecoin have already hit thousands of percent. That's a possibility, but I think they should focus more in the burning of what Pepecoin. Now, Pepecoin developers have also come out to say they are working on plans. Very soon we'll be seeing different projects that will be coming up. And I also believe definitely they might also start the tax bond that will help to bond Pepecoins, because 391.7 trillion coins circulating is a lot of coins. That's the only thing that will draw these coins back. But this coin is still going to rise more. I see Pepecoin hitting more, rising more in the nearest future. But I think they should also focus on burning this coin. If they can burn trillions of Pepecoin from now to the end of this year, it will definitely help this coin. So, bringing in tax bond just like Terra Classic, just like Shiba Doge, just like Shiba Inu, will help the coin, and it depends on the percentage they want to charge. For me, I believe they should go for 2.5% tax bond. Yes, they should go for 2.5% tax bond. And right now, Terra Classic is about 1.2%. Definitely, I don't even think they are above 1.2% because of Binance burning half of that. And right now, Shiba Inu is going for 2.5%. Shiba Doge, I think Shiba Doge is 2.5 or more. So Pepecoin should focus more on the burning of what this coin, and if they can target burning $100 billion bonds every day, or 500 billion bonds on a daily. Now, based on the market volume of Pepecoin, I believe if they can introduce the tax bond to be functioning very well, it means that there's a possibility that Pepecoin can destroy over 100 or 150 billion coins within 1 week. Okay, now I also believe there's a possibility for 1 trillion in a month. They can do it. Pepecoin can destroy 1 trillion coins in a month. This is still small compared to Pepecoin. Then thirdly, they should also use mass burning. They can decide top holders to burn some of their holding. They can even burn the remaining supply of Pepecoin. I believe all this will help support Pepecoin to rise. So let's keep on supporting Pepecoin. I believe in the nearest future, Pepecoin will definitely going to rise more. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.